Hey guys, welcome to the UltFone channel. When you enter incorrect lock screen passcode many times, your iPhone will be disabled and says to connect to PC. Your iPhone unavailable. In this video, we are going to show you how to unlock any iPhone without Siri using 3 methods. When you forgot your iPhone passcode, UltFone iOS System Repair can help you out to remove passcode. UltFone iOS System Repair offers an efficient way to unlock any locked iPhone passcode without Siri. Now follow the steps to unlock your locked iPhone using UltFone iOS System Repair. Step 1. Download and install UltFone iOS System Repair and connect your locked iPhone to computer. Step 2. Now it's time to put your iPhone in DFU mode. Quickly press volume up and down and release it. After that, keep holding lock button until you see Apple logo on the screen. Step 3. Launch the software and click on Start. On the next screen, choose Deep Repair to remove screen lock and click Deep Repair. Step 4. On the next screen, iPhone firmware will download, and after firmware package is downloaded, click Start Repair button to start factory resetting iPhone. It will erase all data stored on your iPhone to remove passcode. Step 5. While doing this process, your iPhone will restart several times during installation. That's it. Now you can check your lock screen passcode is successfully removed from your iPhone. If you forgot iPhone passcode and disabled Find My iPhone in setting, then you can try to unlock and restore iPhone using iTunes. Simply follow this below steps to unlock iPhone without passcode using iTunes. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer and put it in DFU mode as previously we did. Quickly press and release volume up and down button, and keep holding lock button till Apple logo appears. Step 2. A new iTunes window will appear with 2 options: Update and Restore iPhone. Select Restore iPhone and follow on-screen commands to restore it. Step 3. After restoration, you can able to use your iPhone again without lock screen passcode. You can unlock iPhone without passcode using Find My iPhone feature. Simply follow the steps to unlock it. Step 1. Sign into iCloud.com with your Apple ID that was used on the locked iPhone. Step 2. Once you're signed in, choose the option called Find iPhone. Step 3. Click on all devices at the top and choose your iPhone. Then click on Erase iPhone. Your iPhone will immediately restart and erase all data and settings, including the passcode. When the erasing finishes, you can unlock the iPhone without a passcode. That's all for this video. If you like it, don't forget to give a thumb up. Subscribe UltFone channel and tell us thoughts in the comments. Have a good day.